Good morning, everyone. It is February 25th, and we are going to get into today's free trade idea. And it is going to be on Netflix. So as you can see here, I like to jump right into things. We are on the monthly time frame, and we have had some aggressive selling to pour in on Netflix. Also, I'd like to make mention of this for those of you who like to swing trade. Keep your eyes peeled on the monthly time frame on Netflix because so far, even though we have a little bit more time before the month actually closes, so far, Netflix is giving a shooting star candle. Now, this shape can actually change, like I stated, because we do have a few more days left in the month, but I would definitely stay locked in because it is showing an aggressive type of selling candle, if you will. Now, let's go ahead and look over at the weekly time frame just to get a gauge for what's going on. If we do continue to pull, I can definitely see us trying to take out this particular low down here. But of course, the strat teaches us to be prepared in either direction. So let's go ahead and get this thing mapped out for a day trade. So this will be our call entry. And then we're going to move over to the 4-hour time frame. And let's see here. So we have an earlier entry. And if you don't quite understand how I'm charting, I do have a video on my channel on the strat. I actually have two. It would, be beneficial for you to watch that. That way you can actually understand exactly what it is that I'm doing here. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to figure out what our magnitude is. So let's see here. So we're looking at about 10:15:09 to the upside. So if we decide to push up, that's about where we could see. Now, the ATR target does not mean that we have to go that high. It just basically means that if we decided to do nothing but push to the upside, that's where we'll be looking to go. And then actually that call entry off of the day kind of overlaps with that, but that's fine. And then to the downside, we are looking at about 961.39. All right, so let's talk about the contracts as we actually map out our targets here. So to the downside, I would be looking at in the money to 965. A 962.50 would work, but in the money to 965 is more than likely what I would alert if I were to put it out there into my community. And also, if you're interested in joining the trading community, it is linked to my YouTube page. And these are areas where you would consider taking profit. All right, so we have all of those mapped out. And then to the upside, let's see here. Yeah, so that's pretty decent on the upside. All right, everyone. So to the upside, I would be looking at in the money to 10.15. So again, just want to reiterate that your ATR targets are not to state that, or say rather, that it has to go all the way down there to 965 or all the way up there to 10.15. It basically means that if we decided to do nothing but drop the entire day, that is definitely attainable. And then to the upside, if we decided to do nothing but move to the upside, that is something that is attainable. Your ATRs are not directional indicators, but they let you know your magnitude. So this is going to be the trade idea for today. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please check out my Twitter and Instagram so that you can see the performances of the other trades that I've put out. We've got some 500 percenters. We've got over 200% on the free trade ideas that I've been putting out on my channel. So if you want to follow along and track to see how those trades actually went, I post them on my Instagram page. It is the same handle. And I also post them on my Twitter page as well as Threads. All right, everyone. I hope to see you in Baggage Claim. Have an amazing day. God bless.